Hey guys, Holly here. Today I'm going to show you the 3-step process I used to make over my own utility room. I hope you guys enjoy seeing how I did it and the finished result. So this is the utility room beforehand. As you can see, it's quite a narrow room. We just had the washer and dryer on the floor and everything stacked on top of them. The first thing I did was paint the room. I used Rolling Fog in Pale by Little Greene Paint Company for the walls, and the doors are Juniper Ash, also by Little Greene. So the next thing was to stack the washing machine and the dryer just to gain a little more space. The stacking kit I used is the one that Hotpoint recommend for their machines on their website. I'll link it below. It's a pretty universal model. It retails for about £50, but definitely worth checking out Facebook Marketplace because I got mine secondhand for a lot cheaper. I got this IKEA dresser off Facebook Marketplace. The first thing I did was remove all of the doors and the shelves and take off the hardware. The hardware fittings the holes were pretty big for them, so I mixed up some big boy body filler, which is super heavy duty, to fill them in so that I could drill through new holes and replace the handles. I then set about painting it. I painted it one shade darker than the walls around it, so that was Rolling Fog in Mid by Little Greene. As you can see, I also pulled the back off the top half of the dresser. I decided not to put the glass doors from the top half back on the dresser and just have the bottom cupboard as a concealed space to hide messes and have the top half as a more sort of contemporary open shelving look. I used an 80 grit sandpaper on my electric sander to remove all of the orangey coloured varnish from the loose shelves that I'd removed. Once I finished staining the shelves and painting the body of the cabinet, I finished it with 2 coats of Frenchic Finishing Coat. This is going to be a reasonably high traffic piece, so I wanted to make sure it was well protected. Once the finishing coat had dried, all that was left to do was to reattach the doors with their new handles, and then I was ready to style the shelves and fill the cupboard. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the process and that you like the finished result. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and catch you next time.